Hi, Duke Dukoff, Vice President of Sales. We're debuting our new IP addressable speakers. Each speaker has its own 40-watt amplifier, and the only connection going to it is a Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable. It's 40 watts by ampable. We end up going down to our switch. Our switch has 16 outputs, so we can run 16 speakers at full power. We can add additional switches for more speaker outputs. Speakers can be addressed en masse or individually. We have 8 bands of EQ available, and if there's a fault in the system, we can program it to turn on a light, shine a buzzer, or send out email. And on here we have a little thing here that says speaker, temperature, amplifier, DC power. When you remotely look at the system after it sent you an email, you can actually see what's wrong with it and expedite the service on the unit. This will ship in the 4th quarter, SoundTube IP addressable speaker.